Hey, and welcome back to She Built Her Home, where we talk about all things fun. And today's topic is no exception. Today we're going to be talking about homemaking and why it's so important to add a little sparkle and pizzazz to your home. I know what some of you may be thinking. Homemaking? Boring! But homemaking can be exciting and oh so fun. And here's why. But wait, before I get into the details, let me just clarify what I mean by homemaking. Homemaking is the art of creating and maintaining a clean, comfortable, and organized home. It includes everything from cooking, cleaning, organizing, decorating, budgeting, and even time management. But then, why is homemaking so important? Well, for starters, our homes are where we spend the most of our time. It's where we eat, sleep, relax, unwind, entertain, and most importantly, where we spend time with our loved ones. If our homes are disorganized and chaotic, it can be quite difficult to feel comfortable and at ease. Next, homemaking allows you to express your creativity. Anywhere from a DIY project to interior designing to organizing your whole entire home, homemaking gives you an opportunity to let your imagination run wild. You can put your own personal touches and make sure that your home is as unique or traditional as you want it to be. You can create a space that truly reflects your personality and style. If you love bold colors, you can include those. Anything from cozy texture to wild prints to modern minimalism, you name it. Your home is your canvas to do with as you will. Although, I hope you consider the other people living there as well, but there's no denying that you can put your own stamp on your beloved home. Homemaking allows you to experiment and have lots of fun with your home decor. But it's not just about making the home look pretty. Homemaking can also help you to create a space that functions well and makes your life to run easier. Homemaking can help you to streamline your life and save precious time. And then you can use that time to do the things you enjoy. And who doesn't want to do things that they enjoy more often? And speaking of things we enjoy, let's talk about food. Homemaking allows you to explore a whole world of foods. From classic favorites to new culinary experiences, you can provide healthy and nutritious foods for your entire family. You can do anything from growing your own food to having a chicken for some eggs. If your town allows, create delicious and nutritious meals for yourself and your loved ones. From trying new recipes to perfecting signature dishes, homemaking lets you showcase your culinary creativity while giving others an opportunity to enjoy as well. This makes it an even more fun, bonding family experience. And it can also help your home to be even more warm and inviting. Homemaking can also help us to become more productive and efficient. When our homes are clean and organized, we can focus better and get more things done. Not just us, but our loved ones as well. We don't waste time looking for things or tripping over clutter. And when our homes are well stocked, prepared, and organized, we spend less money on buying duplicate items because we can't find something. We're less likely to run out of essentials or spend money on unnecessary purchases. Are you liking this video so far? Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you have, thank you so much for subscribing, and please share this video with your loved ones. If you think they will find it useful, don't forget that every like, comment, and share does help to grow this channel, and I truly appreciate it. Thank you. Homemaking is also about creating a welcoming and nurturing environment. Don't forget, after all, home is where we are at ease and we can relax. When we take time to decorate our home, cook delicious meals, and create a cozy atmosphere, we're showing our loved ones how much we care about them. We're creating a space where they can feel loved, cared for, supported, and safe. Let's also not forget the financial benefits of homemaking. You may or may not know, but I love frugality and all things budgeting. So, this one is one of my favorites. When we cook our own meals, clean our own homes, and decorate on a budget, we're saving money. We're not relying on expensive and sometimes unhealthy takeout or hiring cleaning services. Although if you are in that season in life and your budget allows, do not feel ashamed and do what you gotta do, especially when it comes to helping your mental health. There is no shame in asking for help. Please do not get me wrong. I'm just saying in general, when we're not in that season of life, we can help to save money by doing these things ourselves. Also, not overspending on home decor or mismanaging our finances, especially if you're in a one-income household like me. It is so important to manage every single penny. I do have some videos on budgeting. We're not wasting money on unnecessary gadgets. In addition, we can upcycle our furniture. We can shop secondhand for decor. We can even start a home-based business selling our handmade creations finances a little bit as well. Possibilities are truly endless. If you're still not convinced that homemaking is important, let's remember that homemaking is about creating a life that you love and a life that is comfortable for you and your loved ones. It's about taking care of ourselves and our loved ones. It's about making our home a place where we can thrive and grow. And that, my friends, is something truly invaluable. Homemaking is not just important, but it can also be exciting and fun. So put on your favorite music or your favorite YouTube channel, have an apron and cleaning supplies, and let's get homemaking. But if you want to make homemaking even more fun, check out this video where I go over